This is the Blackboard walkthrough for pre-calculus. Let's go ahead and click on the pre-calculus tab. Once you enter the course, you'll see the class announcements. I will be posting these on a regular basis and I will forward them to your email address. For the very first week, we want to start at the Start Here tab. The first thing you'll notice is a welcome video. Click on this link to have a general welcome video and a little bit about myself. Then you want to go to the first week checklist. You want to make sure you sign up for ALEKS, which I'll show you in just a few minutes. Watch the ALEKS tutorial video, which is found under the ALEKS instruction section, which is here. You want to familiarize yourself with Blackboard, which is what you're doing now, and watch the syllabus and schedule video that I have posted. Just click on the link here, or you can find it under lessons. You're going to be taking the orientation quiz, which will be available on the first day of class, and introduce yourself in the discussion board. As soon as you've done all those things, you want to go ahead and start learning the material. The next group is on ALEKS. The ALEKS instructions is right here. I will be adding a new tutorial for ALEKS because this is the first time that I'm actually connecting ALEKS to Blackboard. Your information on how to connect to ALEKS is here. Just follow the directions. The link to ALEKS will take you directly to the ALEKS website to sign up. I'll go over that information in the next video. Schedules and online appointments is the next tab. When you click on this link, it will automatically send you to my calendar. As you can see here, I will have the calendar rolling and only showing for the next 7 days. If you click on the day, it will give you increments of 1 hour. I plan for the meetings to be about 45 minutes, and that's what I found to be about what I needed last semester for my students. There is a 15-minute break in between so that I can get ready for my next appointment, or if you do go over in time, I have that option available for you as well. If you sign up for an appointment, go ahead and select your time and go ahead and confirm it. You'll need to include your name and your email address. Notice here it's asking you which course you're in. If you want to share information that will help me prepare for the meeting, go ahead and type it in here as well. The next one is going to be the virtual office. Once you have scheduled an appointment, you will visit the virtual office at that scheduled time and date. When you click on it, you want to go ahead and join the session. Once you're in the room, you want to make sure to turn on your mic, which is located here, and the camera if you want to have a face-to-face discussion. You will see another room here called the Student Study Room. This is if you and some of your classmates collaborate and decide to join a session to study together. I have made everyone in the study room to be a presenter, which means you have access to a whiteboard and other technology to help you study. I will not be attending the study sessions unless you let me know that you would like me to come by and help you during your specific time. I will make every effort to do so if I am available. The next tab is the discussion boards. When you open the discussion boards, you will see the instructions on what the question is about. For the very first week, you'll be answering the questions posted here and introduce yourselves. I will not be posting discussion boards on a weekly basis, but if I do, I will send them out in announcements. The next one is the one that you'll be using the most. It's the Lessons tab. For the lessons, you will see all the topics here, the due date and syllabus here. I've also posted a syllabus and calendar video here as well. Email and my Google number. Please don't call me after 6. You will see a calculator assignment here. Please upload the calculator you wish to use on your exams. It is for a grade. You'll either get 100 if it's approved or a 0 if it's not approved. You can resubmit to get 100. The units are all set up exactly the same, so we'll just look at the first unit. As you can see here, the very first group are going to be class notes. This is a clean copy where nothing has been written on. The next section is the My Notes. The videos, lectures are posted here, and the notes that I use to create these videos are also posted here. So you can make a copy of those and follow along if you wish. I also have worksheet copies. We would typically be doing these during class after we do a lecture. These are our clean copies. And as you can see, right below it are the worksheet keys. The videos here are slightly different. I use the notes and just do a general walkthrough on how I solved it. Finally, at the bottom, you'll see the Unit 1 exam information. It will have the exam reference or formula sheet that you may use on the exam, and then it will have a practice exam and practice exam key. You cannot use the practice exam or the practice exam key on your test. You may only use the formula sheet on your exam. And then here's the information about the exam itself. All of the units are set up exactly the same way. The next section you see here is the exam scratch work. Whenever we have an exam, you can upload your scratch work here for partial credit. Finally, we get to the My Grades. As you can see, all the grades are already listed here. I am assuming that Alex will upload the grades automatically. Since this is the first time I'm linking the course, I'm not sure how this will work. However, when it does upload, and if there is any problems with it, please let me know and I will make the proper adjustments. Course evaluation will be available about halfway through the course. Finally, we have the tutoring and the 24/7. Let's click on tutoring 24/7. It'll send you to this page. You must agree to the policies. Once you're on this page, you have the option to drop in, schedule a future session, submit an offline question, or join a group session, and then proceed to the math part. You can type your question here and then submit it. Somebody will respond with your sessions. Now let's click on Tutoring at TCC. Once you click on that, you can scroll down and choose your subject. You can also select the campus in which you need help with. We're going to go ahead and select the Northwest Math Tutoring Center. You will have to go ahead and click Enroll, which I have already done. Once you fill out that information, you can go ahead and click here to enter an online tutoring session. It will automatically take you to the Blackboard Collaborate, similar to the virtual office. That concludes the Blackboard walkthrough for pre-calculus. If you do have any questions, please let me know.